What's up? This is the first ever episode of Cooking with Cody, like the series.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
I'm about to do this. I'm about to make a couple beats. I'm thinking about just making basically simple beats. I've had a long day, so I'm probably just gonna like chop it up, see where I go with it. Most of it will probably be chop and soul or something like that. $145 F sharp minor. Not even gonna hold you. I might add like we can go to a kick. Nah, fuck the kick. We're just gonna go 808. Most of the time, bro, it's just like keep it simple, bro. Because a lot of the times you just be overthinking a lot of shit, and then sometimes it's just like, oh, that's not exactly what it's supposed to be. I'm about to turn these lights on because this is hella depressing. These lights are like bright now, like it's too bright. Now I just want to like cry in a shell. It's awful. Now these are not something I would be like, yeah, I got the greatest shit.
I am Shakespeare in the flesh. Walt Disney, Nike, Google.
Wouldn't be like, oh my god, yeah, I'm the best with these. Like, nah, I still got places to grow. You feel me? You have like a snare, do like a something, you feel me? Like a roll or something. Oh, it's a clap. Well, then it'll be a clap roll. I don't care. You think I care? No, I do. I care a lot. I care too much sometimes. Add my tag. Yeah. Now you're gonna ask, oh my god, the quality of this video just changed so much. That you are correct. Why, you may ask? It's because I simply switched it to cinematic. And now it looks much better. You're welcome. But I know that I don't deserve your grace.
I don't deserve your grace. I don't deserve. I know.
Definitely say this is just like, if I want to get this idea started, I might as well like try, you know? So it's like, this is just kind of like testing the waters. Like, I mean, if y'all like the video, y'all like the video. If nobody watches it, nobody watches it. I'm still gonna make these. regardless. But if y'all support it, amazing. If y'all don't, damn. I mean, like, there's nothing else to say, man. It's just like I'm kind of just chilling, making beats, doing whatever. And I'm just gonna kind of like show y'all the process, show y'all everything of what I do. This is so mediocre, it's crazy. Like, it's okay. I'm gonna have so much footage of just like sad, horrible things. Let me show y'all some of this nasty shit that I made though.
I need you, Lord, need you, Lord, need you, Lord.
And not even that, bro. It just be like, I just be doing stupid stuff like. Yeah, kind of cool. Gospel thing. I think I'm gonna just end it here. I might practice. I might write some bit. Pretty much it, man. So it was good, bro. It was a shot. It was a shot. I'm probably gonna make another one. But dude, it was something. You feel me? So we're gonna try to get to it next time.